Hello guys, what's up and welcome again. This is Design Relation. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly sign in immediately without joining this waitlist. So I recorded this video on how to use this Ideogram AI to generate name images for yourself. And most of you, you're having challenges of joining the waitlist. So at first, when I recorded the video, this was the video that I recorded. You can see is here. So that was the video I recorded. So when I recorded that video, there was no option of waitlist. You just have to sign up directly. But now you have to join the waitlist. I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. You have to watch this video to the end so that if method one doesn't work for you, then method two might work for you. So let me quickly show you that. So when you come to the website like this is the website login. Before that, if you haven't watched the previous video, you can go and watch that because I won't go much details on this, on how to generate these images. So that other video will teach you that. All right, so if you come to the website like this, you will see join waitlist. So if you haven't joined the waitlist before, then you have to click on the join waitlist at the bottom here and type in your email. Then you click on the agree. If you are using your phone, please, this is applicable to your phone. I just want to use this laptop so I can show you easily. Okay, so you just have to click on the join waitlist and type in your email address here correctly, then type in the agree button here. All right, so let me go back now. So this is where it gets interesting. So for you to sign in immediately, you just have to go to the Discord option here. That this is the method one. Then the method two is going to be very simple. So watch the video to the end so that you can get that method two if this one doesn't work for you. So you have to go to the Discord option here. This is the Discord option. So if I should click on that, it's going to take me to their Discord page. Okay, so it's going to take me to their Discord page. So you have to accept the invite, and it's going to open up Discord app on your phone. If you have the app, if you don't have the app, it will open up the web for you. Okay, so any one you have is going to work for you. So it will open up. So they're asking, did you know the character on this is robot? Okay, all right, so this is their Discord page. Okay, this is their Discord page. So what you have to do now is to go to the general here. If you check under their server, this is the Discord, the Ideogram server. So if you go to this place, let's go here. So if you should go down here under Ideogram here, you can see general. So click on that. When you tap on that, you will see options like this. Okay, you will see options like this. You will see people commenting. So what you are going to look for here, we are going to look for invitation link. So here you can see accessing Ideogram is immediate when you use this invite link. So these are invite links that you can use to access this website immediately without joining the wait list. So if I should click on the invite link line, you will see it will take me directly to for me to sign up. So look at it. So I just click on the invite link. You can see the wait list is no longer here again. So let me show you. When you open the website, you see wait list. Then when you follow the process I just mentioned, now you will now see the sign up with Google. So now what you have to do is to click on the sign up with Google. So after clicking on that, you select the email account you want to use to sign up to the website, and you have immediate access to the website. Let's talk about the method 2 now. If you, in case you want to use the invite link and it has expired, you have to go to the status. So go to the click on status. When you click on status, and you will go down, and you can see sign up is now enabled for all again. If you join the waitlist, you should be able to sign up directly. So they disable the sign up so that they can work on their updates and all that. Okay, so if you joined the waitlist before, then you have to go back to the website and click on login. Okay, instead of clicking on waitlist, you have to click on login. After clicking on login, you select the email account you submitted during the waitlist, and it will give you straight access to sign in to the website. So those are the two ways that you can bypass the waitlist option and sign to the website. So that's that. So if you haven't watched my video on how to generate your image using this website, go now and watch that video so that you know how to generate images using this website. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful.